Welcome to Punchzee, the most effective way to track and manage your construction operations. Today, we will be covering the foundational steps in creating and setting up your first workspace. Let's begin. Creating a workspace is simple. You can name it anything you want. You can also upload an image of your logo and click Save. You will then be taken directly to the dashboard. The dashboard functions as the home screen for Punchzee. At a glance, you can see your active projects, recent submissions, and current customers. Notice the navigational panel on the left. This is the fastest way to switch between functions in Punchzee. Now that we have our workspace created, our first step is uploading your plan documents and architectural plans. Click on step 1 and let's begin. On this screen, you click on the plus sign to upload a file from your computer or mobile device. Once the file is uploaded, you can name each plan individually. Now you must build your first task. Tasks are individual jobs that need to be completed. You can customize the name of each task and even add a description. Tasks can be further defined using the fields function, and we'll cover that in depth in a later video. In the third step, we will build your first project. You can select individual customers and plan images to be assigned and grouped to each project. In this final step, you can assign tasks to an individual user. For the sake of example, let's assign ourselves the first task. In subsequent videos, we will dive deep into each step of this tutorial. We are excited that you are using Punchzee. As you master these basic steps, you will see how efficient and effective this tool is for improving your construction management. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.